Welcome viewers, this is Roshmi again with another new episode of Resham check and half tussar material. Today also I am going to show you some cotton blouses. So let's start. Sari number 1. Sari number 1, this is half tussar, Gujarati stitch on half tussar. I will show you the entire sari. See, palla portion. It will come in the palla. The material is half tussar. One thread is cotton and another thread is of tussar material. Cotton, it is a mixture of cotton and tussar. See, the color, base color is grey with red, orange and blue Gujarati stitch. These all are mirror, what you say, mica also. The price of this sari is 3250. Here is the palla. I will show you the entire draping view. It has got a running blouse piece also. The color is grey. This is very soft and comfortable material. Price is 3250. Here is the blouse piece. This is a blended material, mixture of cotton and tussar. See, here is the blouse. Here is the view of the entire sari. Palla portion. Price is 3250 and the color is grey color. Material is very soft. Sari number 1. Then another half tussar. This is peach color. This is also Gujarati stitch. All the designs are different, but stitch is same and the colors are different. Material is same. Half tussar. Half tussar is a blended material of cotton. It is a mixture of cotton and tussar. See, here is the view of the entire sari with the black Gujarati stitch. Price is 3250. All the saris are having blouse pieces which is running blouse piece of the same color of tussar material, half tussar material. See the volume of work, entire sari with the same volume of work. And here is the blouse piece. The color of this sari is peach pink. See, this is the view of the entire sari. Price 3250. Here is the view of the entire sari. Price 3250. Next, this is pink color. Pure pink color. Material is very soft. Here is the palla portion with Gujarati stitch. Palla portion. This is with the both side border and buta. See the work. This is orange, blue and yellow is there. Piping is also of royal blue, and the blouse piece is same of the same material and same color. These all the half tussars are having running blouse pieces. This is the draping view of the sari. I will show you. Here is the blouse piece. This is the work on the blouse piece. Price is 3250. Sari number 3. Tussar, half tussar material, Gujarati stitch on half tussar. Price is 3250. 3250. Next one, another half tussar, but the stitch is different. It is Kashmiri stitch. These all are hand work. These all are hand work. I will show you the back side. Here is the palla portion. This is Kashmiri stitch, hand Kashmiri stitch. See the back portion. With the back portion you can understand these all are hand stitch. The beige color or cream color, and the price is 3200. 3200. This is Kashmiri stitch on half tussar. Kashmiri stitch on half tussar. Base color is cream and the price is 3200. These all are very soft material. It is a mixture of cotton and tussar. And here is the blouse piece. All the half tussar materials are having a blouse piece, running blouse piece. See, this is the draping view. Color is cream color or beige color. Here is the palla. Price is 3200. For booking, please call or WhatsApp 93308666384. And viewers, if you like the program, share with your friends, relatives, and subscribe. And definitely press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. Here is the palla portion. The color is again pink color. This is pink. Here is the view. This is also Kashmiri stitch, hand Kashmiri stitch, and the price is 3200. Price is 3200. Here is the view. For my new subscriber, I am requesting you to press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. Here is the blouse piece. We deliver pan India through courier, and courier charges is absolutely free. See, this is the view of the entire sari. Sari number 5, price is 3200. Material is half tussar, and the stitch is Kashmiri stitch. The stitch is Kashmiri stitch. Now I will show you some Resham check. On request, again I am showing you Resham checks, Kantha on Resham checks. Earlier also in some episode I have shown this Kantha on Resham check. There is a huge demand, and I received so many requests, so I am showing you some more saris. This is light green color, Palla portion. From Palla, this work will go throughout the sari. Price is 2850. This work will go throughout the sari. The material is Resham check, very comfortable, soft. Those who have taken requested to show some more Resham check. This is very summer friendly sari. And here is the blouse piece. The color of the blouse piece is blue. Here is the blouse piece with the work. This is the draping view. Resham check, Kantha stitch. Here is the view, Kantha stitch. Price is 2850. I will show you some more colors on Kantha stitch, Resham check Kantha. This is grey color. Grey color. Here is the view. See, this is the view. I think it is clear. I don't have to open the entire sari. Here is the Palla portion. The entire sari is like this. Entire sari is like this. Material is Resham check, and the blouse piece of this sari is maroon. Here is the blouse piece. Price 2850. This is sari number 7. Here comes sari number 8, light yellow. Light yellow. Sari number 8. See, this is the draping view. Light yellow color. Stitch is hand Kantha stitch, and the material is Resham check, which is very comfortable for summer. And the blouse, here is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece, and the price is 2850. Price is 2850. Next one, pink color. This is pink color, and the blouse piece is blue. I will show you the blouse piece first. See, here is the view of the entire sari. Color is pink. The stitch is Kantha stitch. Have a look. Just have a look of the sari. The work. See the work. On Resham check material also we are showing the same volume of work. Here is the entire sari, and the blouse piece is blue color. The blouse piece is of blue color. The price is 2850. 2850. Material is Resham check. Color is pink. Next one, another Resham check. The color is magenta. The color is magenta. Here is the view. For booking, call or WhatsApp 9330866384. Color is magenta. Stitch is Kantha stitch. Material is Resham check, and the price is 2850. 2850. Here is the view of the entire sari. This is sari number 10. This is sari number 10. Sari number 10. Here is the view, and the color of the blouse piece is blue. Here is the blouse piece with the work. Price 2850. Another one on Resham check. Another one on Resham check. This is Rani color with black blouse. See, here is the view of the entire sari. This is the view. Here is the work. This is the border, both side border, and the material is Resham check. Price is 2850. For booking, call or WhatsApp 9330866384. We deliver pan India through courier. You have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking. Here is the view of the entire sari, and the price is 2850. Material is also Resham check. This is sari number 11. Now I will show you sari number 12. 12 is Resham check Gujarati. Material is same, but the work is different. This is Gujarati work. See the sari. See, here is the view. This is Rama green, light Rama green you can say, with a yellow piping and yellow combination. Price is 2700. Price is 2700. Here is the view of the entire sari. This is Resham check. Material is Resham check. Stitch is Gujarati stitch, hand Gujarati stitch with the blouse piece, and the color of the blouse piece is yellow. Here is the blouse piece. Price 2700. Another one. This is also Resham check material, black color. The lovely black color. See the work. Palla portion. Here is the palla portion, and this is the entire body. Here is the entire body. The stitch is Gujarati stitch, material Resham check, color is black, price is 2700. 2700. Price is 2700. No extra shipping charges. Shipping is absolutely free, but you have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking or bank transfer. And COD facility is available only within Kolkata. For booking, call or WhatsApp 9330866384. This is handloom material. Handloom material, Achal portion, then the entire body is of this green color. See, this is the color. Material is good handloom, Bengal handloom material, and this is Gujarati work. The blouse piece and achal palla portion is of same color, and the entire body is of this green color. Here is the achal, and this is blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. And the price is 2400. 2400. This is handloom material. This is number 15. Now sari number 15. Sari number 15. Palla portion is maroon. Palla portion maroon color, and the entire sari is of yellow, mustard yellow. See, this is mustard yellow. The entire sari, blouse piece and the achal portion, palla portion is of maroon color. Price is 2400. Material is Bengal handloom cotton. Bengal handloom cotton, and the stitch is Gujarati stitch, and the price is 2400. Sari number 15. Here is the blouse piece. Blouse piece. Next one, sari number 16. Another handloom material. The color of this sari is maroon. Here is the palla portion. This is palla portion. The sari color is maroon. Entire sari is of maroon color. This is the body, aanchal portion, palla portion, and this is blouse piece. Price is again 2400. 2400. Material is Bengal handloom cotton, and this is hand Gujarati stitch. Price is 2400. For booking, please take a screenshot or mention the number. It was sari number 16. Now I will show you some cotton blouses. Ready cotton blouse. See, please take a screenshot because there is no number for the blouses. Blouse number 1, pure cotton material, and the price is here. This is the back side. This is back side. It is the front side, and the price is 600. Price is 600. Blouse number 1. This is blouse number 2. This is front portion. This is front portion, pure cotton material. These all are pure cotton material. Front portion. This is back portion. All sizes are available from 38 to 42. Even 44 is also available. This is the cost of this blouse is 650. Another one, blouse number 3. Blouse number 3. This is also cotton blouse. Price is 650. This is also 650. Back portion. Please take a screenshot for booking. Blouse number 4. Another cotton blouse. Cotton blouse. This is the front portion. This is the back portion. Here is the back portion. Price is 650. Price is 650. Blouse number, I think this is 5. Yes, this is blouse number 5. Blouse number 5, another cotton material, front portion, back portion. Price is 650. Price is 650. Blouse number 6. Blouse number 6, front portion. Front portion, all the sizes are available from 38 to 42. This is blouse number 6, front portion, back portion, and the price is 650. Blouse number 7, front portion. Blouse number 7, front portion, pure cotton material. These all are pure cotton material. Back portion. This is also 650. This is also 650. Another cotton material. Price is 600. This is blouse number 8. Blouse number 8. Front portion, back portion. Here is the back portion. Price is 600. Price is 600. Blouse number 9. Another cotton material, front portion, back portion. Price is 600. For booking, please take a screenshot of the blouse. Please take a screenshot. 600. Price is 600. Here is another last blouse, front portion. This is also pure cotton material. These all are pure cotton material. Back portion. Back portion, and the price, this is blouse number 10 and the price is 600. Viewers, I have shown you 16 sarees along with 10 blouses. If you like it, please share with your friends, relatives and subscribe, and definitely press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. My booking number is 9330866384.